Ever dreamt of having multiple distinct online presences powered by a single WordPress powerhouse? Today, we're unlocking that potential by showing you exactly how to add a new domain address to your existing WordPress installation. First things first, you'll need to have your new domain name registered and pointed towards your hosting account. This usually involves logging into your domain registrar and updating your domain's name servers to match those provided by your web hosting company. Your hosting provider will have instructions on this, or you can often find it in your hosting account's control panel. Once your domain is registered and pointing to your host, we can proceed with the WordPress setup. This process is specifically for WordPress Multisite. If you don't have Multisite enabled, you'll need to do that first. You can usually find the option to enable Multisite in your WordPress installations, core files, or sometimes through a plugin once Multisite is active. Navigate to the Tools menu in your WordPress admin area and select Network Setup. On the Network Setup page, you'll be presented with options for setting up your network. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Likely installing as subdomains follow the on-screen prompts. This will involve copying and pasting some code into your wp-config and htaccess files. This step is crucial for enabling the Multisite functionality. After your network is set up, a new menu item called My Sites will appear. Hover over this, then go to Network Admin, and then select the Domains option. This is where the magic happens for adding your new domain. Here, you'll see an Add New Domain button. Click that. You'll be presented with fields to enter your new domain name. Carefully type in your full, additional domain address. You'll also have the option to give it a site name, which is just a descriptive title for this domain within your network. Ensure you've entered your domain name correctly. Once you've entered your domain and site name, click Add Domain. WordPress will then associate this new domain with your existing Multisite network. You can then go to My Sites, Network Admin, and then Sites to see your new site linked to this domain. Now, you can manage content and settings for this new domain, all from your single WordPress installation. Expand your web presence possibilities and connect diverse domain names with ease.